What's this? Is this your water bottle? Ready? Here, you want a sip? Do you want a sip? Do you want a sip? No? You just wanted to... I didn't even shake it yet. You like that thing, huh? Ellie. Elizabeth, what do you think? One more? One more laugh for everybody? You're weird. You're a weird kid.